Hey folks, welcome to my Express.js series, and in this video we are going to talk about partial templates in Express.js. And also, if you haven't checked out my previous videos or if you haven't checked out my Node.js series, then kindly check it out. The link is in description. So without further wasting any time, let's start. So why we need partial templates? So let's say I have three files and I have one component, let's say navbar component, and if I want to reuse this navbar component in multiple files, that's where partial templates comes into picture. So let's look at it with an example. So first of all, let's create our partial folder. So let's say partials, and let's provide here a navbar. So let's say navbar.tjs, and let's try to make a navbar. So let's say this is logo, this is li, let's say home, about, and let's remove this, and let's provide here some small styling. So let's say style is equals to, let's say, display text, justify content, center, line items, center, justify content, let's say space around, or you can say space with space around. And also let's copy this style to this navbar. Now let's try to import this navbar in our about index and user.js. Now this is the syntax of include our partial and navbar.ejs. I have changed this name to a small navbar.ejs, and you can say include partials, which is our folder name, and this is navbar.js. Now let's try to run this. Press enter and you can see logo and home and about. Let's try to remove this dots. So let's go to navbar.js and let's provide here which type none, and refresh, and you can see home and about. Let's provide here some space. So let's say style and margin right is 20 pixel, and you can see. Now let's try to include this logo or you can say navbar in another file. So let's copy this index.tjs, this line, and let's go to about.tjs. Let's remove this and let's provide here again this line, and let's say about us and some click beta. Let's copy this again and let's go to user.tjs. Let's remove this and let's provide here user, and let's provide here two paragraphs. Now let's try to run this. So let's go to about, and you can see the same navbar is here. Let's go to users, let's see www, and you can see the same navbar is here. So that's how we can use partial templates in Express.js. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.